to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nakisha. So for this video, we're not gonna do a makeup look today. Today's video is a little bit different. What I will be doing, I will be organizing and cleaning my makeup vanity. So months ago I bought this Ikea desk. It's the mom desk, and the mirror for my desk is from Amazon. I love this little space. I love my little setup. It's clean, it's airy. I like to keep it that way because this is where I create stuff. Like whenever I record, whenever I do my makeup videos, whenever I'm writing on my iPad, whenever I'm reading my Bible, whenever I'm meditating, this is where I sit, and I just want to keep it tidy and clean. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I do, then obviously continue watching the video. But before I go, I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for thumbsing up the video. And if you're new here, I realize that a lot of you guys are watching the videos but you're not subscribing. I'm asking again, please, to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down below. If you guys have any video idea, any suggestions, comment those down below and I will check them out. Listen, I always respond. Your support is appreciated over here, and just give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, if you have any questions or concern, leave them down below. But I'm gonna list everything that I show you in this video. I'm gonna make sure to list them down below. So I have on a new wig. I look like a Chinese in this bang, but it is what it is. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. So I hope you enjoy. Bye. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So guys, for this video I will be cleaning and organizing my makeup vanity. This makeup vanity is where I keep all my makeup products, so I like to keep it organized because this is where I create my content. So you know, sometimes when you're in a rush you will misplace your products. So I'm just gonna put everything back into its rightful home. And also when I'm doing my makeup, sometimes powder will spill into the drawer. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove everything and just dust the drawer, dust the organizers, and just put everything back so my space is as organized as possible. Just in case you guys are interested, this makeup vanity, I purchased it at Ikea and I absolutely love it. But yeah, this is me taking out everything before I start dusting. These organizers, I absolutely love them. You can use them in any drawer, not just your makeup drawer. You can use them anywhere in your house, whether in your kitchen, in your bathroom, wherever you need organizers. These are perfect. They're from Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I list that down below. And for you guys who are watching the videos and are loving it, please to give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe because I'm trying to reach at least 1,000 subscribers. I am going to do a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers, and you guys don't want to miss it because who don't like free things? Just in case you guys are interested in the vanity, I will leave the link down below. The desk I got from Ikea. It was reasonably priced and it was easy to assemble because I put it together by myself. And the mirror is from Amazon. It's the Bluetooth mirror, and you can play music while you're doing your makeup or listen to your podcast because it has a loud speaker in the back, and you have like 5 different lights, I think. I'm not sure, but I know that you can change your light settings to warm or cool tone. So everything will be listed down below, so you can check that out, the description box. And I will also, like I said, link the organizers as well down below. This is what my vanity looked like after I cleaned it and arranged it. The chair right here is from Wayfair, and I'm just gonna go a little bit closer and show you guys the mirror. So you turn it on from here, and this is the Bluetooth. It connects to your phone or your iPad or whatever, and you can play music on the light. That's the book that I'm reading right now, and this is what the top look like. Let me open the drawer and show you guys. I got that little painting the other day from the dollar store. Isn't it cute? It says life is better at the lake. But let me show you guys the drawer now. For that little compartment over there, I want to arrange that with my hair stuff, but I'll do that another day. I put a little bin under here because, you know, just in case. But yeah, let me open the drawer and show you guys. So see, everything has a home and it's pretty organized and clean. So yeah,